Hello everyone. This is lesson number 67, HSK 6, and let's continue. So this is chapter about we all love white noise. So let's see. 白噪音 white noise. So 噪音 is noise, 白 is white. Listening to white noise, he quickly fell asleep. 听着白噪音 so listening this white noise, 他很快 very quickly 就进入了梦乡。You can say fall asleep or dreamland, so enter dreams. 听着白噪音，他很快就进入了梦乡。A white noise can help people concentrate and improve work efficiency. 白噪音可以帮助人们 can help people 集中 concentrate 注意力concentrate is a concentration 集中focus on attention 集中注意力提高工作效率 and increase work efficiency 提高工作效率白噪音可以帮助人们集中注意力提高工作效率 Next one 嘈杂 noisy clamorous 嘈杂 Voices in the market were clamorous and one couldn't hear what the other person was saying clearly making a loud and confused noise clamorous 市场里 so in the market 人声嘈杂 so noises very noise voices are very noise you can say 人声嘈杂听不清 and you cannot listen clearly hear clearly 对方 other person 在说什么 what is he saying what the other person was saying 对方 you can say other person or other side you can say opposite 市场里人声嘈杂听不清对方在说什么 Studying in a noisy environment it's difficult to maintain focus 在嘈杂的环境中 so in a noisy environment 嘈杂的环境中学习很难保持 very hard to keep 专注 focus 专注保持 maintain you can or keep 在嘈杂的环境中学习很难保持专注 Next one 莫名其妙 baffling inexplicable and not without any explicit reason He suddenly threw a temper tantrum which was really baffling 他突然发了一通脾气说脾气 you say he was angry tantrum temper 突然 suddenly 真是让人感到 so make people feel baffling 莫名其妙 so very strange 莫名其妙 strange and unexplained 他突然发了一通脾气真是让人感到莫名其妙 This thing happened so inexplicably that no one can explain it clearly 这是什么 inexplicably 哇 inexplicably 这件事情 this thing 发生的 happened 太莫名其妙了 so too inexplicably or too without reason so nonsense out of nowhere 谁也 so no one so who 谁也解释不清楚 cannot explain it so no one can explain it 谁也解释不清楚解释 to explain 这件事情发生的太莫名其妙了谁也解释不清楚 Next one 淘汰 eliminate through selection 淘汰 eliminate absolute retire let's knock out if you don't work hard to learn new knowledge you will be eliminated by the times 如果不努力学习 not work hard 新知识 new knowledge 就会被时代淘汰 so you will be eliminated by times 被时代淘汰如果不努力学习新知识，就会被时代淘汰。The competition in this match was very fierce, and many contestants were eliminated in the first round. 这次比赛 in this competition 竞争 competition in this tournament competition 非常激烈 very fierce 非常激烈竞争 competitiveness competition 很多选手 contestants 选手 chosen player 在第一轮 in the first round 就被淘汰了 was eliminated 被淘汰了。这次比赛竞争非常激烈，很多选手在第一轮就被淘汰了。Next one 不妨 might as well no harm in. So it's often used 不妨 may as well. It might be if you have difficulties, you might as well go to him for help. 如果你有困难 so if you have difficulties, 不妨 is good is as well as good. You can also go 去找他帮忙 find his help. 找他帮忙。如果你有困难，不妨去找他帮忙。Regarding this problem, we might as well think about it from another angle. 对于 so about regarding 这个问题 this problem, 我们不妨 so it's might as well 换个角度 change a perspective, change from another angle. 换个角度思考一下 so think from other angle 思考。对于这个问题，我们不妨换个角度思考一下。Next one 描绘 depict, portray, describe 描绘 characterize. The writer depicted the beautiful scenery of his hometown in vivid language. 作家 writer 用生动的语言 use very vivid language 生动的语言描绘了 describe 家乡的美景 so beautiful scenery in his hometown 家乡的美景作家用生动的语言描绘了家乡的美景。This painting portrays the scene of ancient people working. 这幅画 this portrait 描绘了 describe no this picture 这幅画描绘了 describe portrays 古代人们 old ancient people 古代人们劳动的场景 so scene of working people work 劳动的场景这幅画描绘了古代人们劳动的场景。Next one 波浪 wave 波浪 Huge waves rolled up on the sea surface and ships rocked violently. 海面上 so on a sea surface 卷起 rolled up 卷起他把地图卷起来放进了箱子里。对，卷起 to rolled up 巨大的波浪 very huge waves 巨大的波浪船只 and ships so 这船哦船只 is a lot of ships 剧烈摇晃 was rocked violently to sway 摇晃摇晃 to swing 剧烈 very fiercely。摇晃的椅子，摇摇晃晃。风太大了，床不停地摇晃。嗯哼，so this 晃 the fourth and 晃 is different。海面上卷起了巨大的波浪，船只剧烈摇晃。Under the gentle breeze, the wheat field undulated like golden waves。麦田，so wheat field，麦田在微风的吹拂下，under the breeze or gentle，微风的吹拂下，吹拂是什么意思？just very slightly，拂 like touch，OK，吹拂 is gentle breeze。像金色 like a golden waves，像金色的波浪一样起伏 undulate，so it means go up and go down。起伏起起伏伏，so go up go down。麦田在微风的吹拂下，像金色的波浪一样起伏。Next one，岩石 rock，岩石。So as you can see, it's mountain and also stone. Rock climbing enthusiasts climb steep rocks with bare hands. 攀岩 rock climbing，攀岩 rock climbing。爱好者 enthusiast，攀石。攀 is it's a verb to go up。攀岩爱好者徒手 with bare hands 徒手攀登陡峭的岩石 these rocks how this steep rocks let's see 对徒手 without hands with bare hands 攀登 to climb 陡峭 very steep place 陡峭的地方。这座山非常陡峭。OK。攀岩爱好者徒手攀登陡峭的岩石。The waves beat against the rocks on the shore, making a huge sound. 海浪拍打着海浪 the waves 拍打着beat pad 岸边的岩石 rocks on the shore 岸边 is shore 拍 to so da is to hit 拍 is to use a pad so together to beat to pad 拍打发出巨大的声响 and happened very big noise making a huge sound 发出 not 发声发出 issue send give 对巨大的声响海浪拍打着岸边的岩石发出巨大的声响 so let's repeat 白噪音 white noise 白噪音嘈杂 noisy clamorous 嘈杂这是什么嘈杂莫名其妙 baffling inexplicable 莫名其妙淘汰 eliminate through selection 淘汰 eliminate through selection 不妨 might as well no harm into something 不妨描绘 depict portray describe 描绘波浪 waves 波浪 as you can see water on the both of the left 岩石 rock 岩石 and we have one idiom for today. Let's see. Last time it was 落叶归根，理所当然。take for granted 理所当然。Next, today is 门庭若市。The courtyard is like a marketplace, a place crowded with visitors, very popular and busy. 门庭若市 Those also very popular phrase. 门庭 so in front of your door, a lot of as on the market. From Zhang Guozi, Minister Zhou Qi advised the king of Qi to accept criticism. The king issued a decree rewarding those who gave advice. Initially, so many people came to give advice that the courtyard looked like a crowded market. 门 gate, 庭 courtyard, 若 like 是 market. On its first day of opening, this restaurant was packed with customers. 这家餐厅 this restaurant 开业 business start operating 也是开业。第一天 the first day 就门庭若市 so the first day already a lot of customers. 这家餐厅开业第一天就门庭若市。When 門庭若市 when he had power, his house was crowded with visitors. Now that he retired, it's deserted. 以前 so before 他有权 has power 有势together 有势 powerful 有权有势是 so at that time 门庭若市 a lot of people 现在退休了 so now he's on a retired pension 退休了就冷清了 already deserted 冷清 quiet 以前他有权有势门庭若市，现在退休了就冷静了，冷静了，有权有势。So this is first our idiom for today. 门庭若市。Also 莫名其妙 related to this. So, and also one wisdom. Last time 记之不立，跨之不行。Let's see. Today is the paradox of knowledge. Abandon learning and there will be no sorrow. 学学无忧. Lao Tzu, stop overthinking and try to conform to society's complex rules. Return to simplicity. Stop reading anxiety-inducing news and analyzing everything. Just live your life and you will be happier. 学 cut off abandon, 学 learning conventional dogma. 无 no 忧 worries sorrow. 学学无忧。无忧无虑。Okay. And 衣食无忧。任无缘虑，必有近忧。So this is interesting phrase. And 高枕无忧。I think 忧是什么忧？忧小。it's another 忧。Okay. With a person. 绝学无忧。So this is all for. See you in the next one.